Most importantly is that we have to get a new framework of engaging with the health workforce. I believe that one of the challenges has been the dialogue mechanism. And in the dialogue mechanism, again, my experience is that we established the committees, or basically the committees at both the hospital and at the county level and also at the national levels to look at the implementation of the CBM. Those committees were fairly prescriptive in the membership, but they were also fairly prescriptive in the things that they were supposed to do. At the county level, for example, we expected the county secretary, the chief officer health, chief officer finance, human resources for health director, together with the union leadership at the county level to sit every 3 months to tease out the issues, to classify the issues, if they are policy issues, if they are administrative issues, if they are finance issues, so that then they can be sorted in that manner.